The ratchet belt. Beautiful design, easy to use. No longer need to make holes in the belt. Now the belt is real leather. Even we try to scratch it with a screwdriver, you can see the scratches goes right away. They are gone out of the belt. And it looks real nice. Now there are two sizes, so pretty simple. Measure and just cut it. Insert the belt in the buckle, close it, and now it's secure. Now if you need to make an adjustment, you can use the screwdriver to apply with the belt. So now you can adjust it once again, close it, and it's simple to install. When you install, then you just go and pull back and you see it's still secure. Now to open back again the belt, very simple, pull up and it's done. This is one of my preferred belts. No longer use the ones with the hole. This is perfect. That's it. It's this there.